Not a bad day, is it, Zoe? It's hot though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's very hot, isn't it?
Shall we drink some water?
You can drink some water if you want, mate.
Okay.
No worries.
Oh, there's nothing in there, Dad.
Nothing in there.
Yeah, it's empty.
Oh. What's in there? There's nothing in mine either. Oh, so hot. Oh, wow, Zoe, what's over there? Look at that. What's up there? That looks like an ice cream machine.
Yeah, it looks like an ice cream machine.
What do you think? Who would put that there? Come on then, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go and have a look. Oh, look, it's out of order.
Yeah.
It's not working, mate. Oh, well, let me have a look and see if I can turn it on, eh? I'll take this off, mate. Okay. Take this off. Ah, you put the money in here, you see. Okay. Well, I'll see if I can plug it in, mate. Ah, that's why it's not working. The lead's not plugged in. Look, we'll plug it into the dirt, mate. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll plug it in.
Put it in the dirt.
There you go. And then we'll get power. Zoe,
Oh,
what do we need for the ice cream machine?
the money.
The money. Do you have any money? Got no money.
No.
I have some money. Look, I got pretend money. There you go. Do you think you'll be able to use that?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try that, mate, first and see what happens.
Press the button, which one you like?
Yep. I only accept real money.
Put money in. Yep. Yep. And which one you like? Press the button, please.
I only accept, please place hand under chute. Put your hands under the chute.
Ice cream.
Uh-oh, what's that?
Ice cream.
Pop stick?
The machine has a problem, Zoe. It's giving you ice cream sticks, but no ice cream. What's going on?
I put the money in.
Thank you.
Yep.
Please place hands under chute. Thank you for your custom.
Wow, what's that one?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. What's it called? It's a bubble. Oh.
Wow, I can't believe it works, Zoe.
They are the same.
Yeah.
We maybe have to open so we know they are the same or not. See how they look like. Wow.
They are the same.
Press it. Oh.
Mmm, yummy.
Yummy. Want a bit?
You can eat it. Do you think I might be able to get my favourite ice cream? I wonder if I can get my favourite ice cream. I've got a special note here that Zoe made before. I'm going to put it in the machine and see if it gives it to me. Whoa! Pick my ice cream. What? What's that? That's a grasshopper. Where's my ice cream?
Ice cream.
I can't eat this. No, can't eat it. All right, I'll use my real $5 note then. Put it in the slot. Okay. Push the button.
Put your hand under the tube.
Oh, wow! Got my ice cream. Yummy! Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yum.